He's a coming.
Switching
right
to,
under us right now.
switching to video.
What is that right there?
Yeah. Look at how low it is. Oh my God. Where's your GoPro?
Where is he?
It's dead, man. Battery right there.
He's right here.
Look how big
Oh
he is.
yeah, it's underneath the boat.
He's right
Underneath
here.
the freaking boat. Hang on. Teddy.
Right
He's
there.
right
The
there.
damn boat.
Oh my God. Of course, you guys had to ask if you ever been bought. Now you're gonna look at that. Look at the way the water is right there.
Jaws.
Move. Oh! Wow. Oh my God. Look at his tail on right in front. Oh my.
Yep. See, there's one.
We didn't do the tail. Is that the other one? No.
You can see the lighter color right under the...
The blue? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Nope,
yeah.
that is a whale.
That's the whale right there, yeah.
Or bubbles. Those are bubbles that the whale is blowing.
Yep, he's gonna blow. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. We're gonna be on top up in the air.
Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah, they are.
They're putting on a show.
Still right under us. You
Yep.
Oh my God. It's over here. Guys, hold on.
There he is. Coming right there.
With the whales.
He's right here.
Follow him, Phil.
Right here.
Stay on him,
He's
Phil.
right here. He's right here. I'm right.
Oh my gosh.
Here he comes. He's coming up where?
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Wow.
I feel like there's something right here.
There is. There was.
Oh, he made a noise.
Yeah.
That was so cool. Oh, right here, bubbles.
No, I think they're down over there now.
There, yeah. He's way over there.
Yep.